Lima 00 gauge model of the GWR King class number 6000 King George V, commonly found under catalogue number L205103 or 5103W, is a classic piece of British model railway history. First introduced in 1978, this model was a staple of many layouts throughout the 1980s and 1990s. Key technical details: drive system. Unlike modern models where the motor sits inside the locomotive boiler, this classic Lima model is tender-driven. It uses Lima's famous, noisy but highly robust pancake motor located entirely inside the coal tender to push the free-rolling locomotive forward. Construction. The body is made of lightweight molded plastic with factory-fitted details, including a distinctive copper-capped chimney and safety valve casing. Quick reference specifications. Attribute. Specification. Scale/gauge. O gauge, 1 to 76 scale. Running number, 6000. Livery, Great Western Railway. GWR, lined green. Wheel configuration, 460. Couplings, traditional fixed tension lock. The verdict today: by today's modern standards, such as the highly detailed versions produced later by Hornby or DJ models, the Lima King is considered basic. It lacks fine cap details, separate wire handrails, and the heavy die-cast weight needed for massive pulling power. However, because they were built like tanks, they are incredibly easy to work on, run remarkably fast when clean, and remain a very affordable, nostalgic option on the second-hand market.